But hopes were not lost. Representatives of the people gathered in Ankara and made a new record. The day was 23rd April.
Noon had been inadequate to हर किसी से नहीं बैग लगे हर किसी ने टेंपरेरी चाहिए
Today is the first day of the Grand National Assembly. It was established by the will of the people. This assembly is the voice of the people. Everyone's opinion is valuable. I call upon our representatives from all walks of life.
बारिश और
I'm a farmer. I serve the land and feed the nation. Let there be peace and let us continue to produce. I'm a teacher. I raise the new generation. I want children to read and think freely.
Ben askeriyim. Vatanı korurum. Barış içinde geçici bir ülke istiyorum.
I'm a soldier. I protect the homeland. I want a strong country in peace.
Ben annenim. Biz de artık bu ülkenin sesiyiz. Kadınlar da konuşmalı.
I'm a mother. We are the voice of this country now. Women must speak too.
Ben esnafım. Kaliteli çalışan insanım. Adaletle mücadele isterim.
I'm a shopkeeper. I'm a person who works with the sweat of my brow. I want a fair order. Today, history was written. This assembly is the guarantee, not only of today, but of tomorrow. I dedicate this day to children of our country, our future.